So this is gonna be a reading for the sign of Scorpio. All that I need to know about your person for the month of March. So where this is going. So let's pick up spirit messages. So in the past we have not overhold back. So this person was very much holding back in the past. It wasn't over. The person you were concerned about, they were very much holding back. They were not giving in, but they were also not giving up on you. Okay, you might have felt, however, like you have to let go. This is out of reach. You were negative about the outcome. You were negative about this working out. Okay, in some which way. Okay, right now one kind of advice for you is be patient, give them space, relax, trust. But I do feel like you do not trust them. Reason being, we have sweet talker, hidden intent. You may feel like this person is a sweet talker, they are good for nothing, they have a hidden intent. Chances are this person never made the effort, they never put in that sort of you know effort into this connection, or made you believe that they wanted this as much as you wanted it. Okay, in the future, however, this could be also present, but this person is discussing the connection with others. They could be mentioning you the connection and how things have gone, like between the two of you. Okay, for some of you, this person, if they cannot offer you commitment, this person might want you as a third wheel, and that could be a trigger, right? This person, if they cannot have you directly, they may want you as a third wheel. Okay, or this could be some of you, you could be wanting them as a third wheel. So take however it resonates. So let's start now for Scorpio for the month of March 2021. So what are you guys going through for the next couple of weeks? Okay, we got the same card for Libra as well. With Four of Cups, you guys are not happy with the choices you guys have made. Maybe you are not in a good space right now. Some of you might be feeling a bit low. You have options, but at the same time, you are not wanting to take them seriously. Okay, there's one option you do think about, but you do not trust that option. Okay, one more card. What are Scorpios going through? What are Scorpios possibly going through? We have the magician card for you. So some of you guys might be wanting to manifest something totally new in your life. You guys are done and tired with the past shit. In the past couple of days or weeks, you may be trying to fix yourself, heal yourself, to not get triggered by your past, to not get affected by your past. Some of you guys were focusing on moving forward altogether. Okay, what else do we see coming up in Scorpio's life for the next couple of days, please? With Six of Cups, I do see a soulmate returning in your life, but I also feel you are heavily thinking about someone. This doesn't have to be a past soulmate. This could be a new soulmate altogether. But I do see you guys meeting someone new who you feel happy with. Okay, this could be past or new. Some of you will meet past person that you guys had a very good connection with. Okay, one card for your soulmate. What are they going through? Scorpio soulmate. What are they going through? Seven of Cups. This person is equally confused and messed up. The person you are concerned about might be having more than one option, but they're not sure where they should be investing or where they should take a move. With Nine of Pentacles, I believe this person is well off, and in the past as well, they were extremely focused on their finances. They were not at all wanting to focus on their relationship with you. Okay, one more card. How do they think about you now? How do they truly think about you now? With the Hanged Man, this person is watching you but not taking any sort of action. In the past, you guys might have communicated a bit, but right now this person is just waiting and just wanting to see what you're doing. Okay, with Seven of Cups, they might be confused as to what to expect from them, but I do not see them taking any sort of action towards you. But they may be very much watching you and waiting on you to reach out. Okay, in terms of how do they feel about you now? How do they truly feel about you? Scorpio soulmate, how do they truly feel about you? We have Three of Cups. So this connection, I believe, for many of you, is someone who you were very good friends with, maybe best friends. Someone you connected on a very strong level, not just friendship, but also you guys had a lot of common interest. Intellectually, the connection was very good. You guys had lots of common friends as well. For some of you, not everyone, and you guys just loved spending time with each other. And I believe this person is missing all that. Okay, they do want to reach out, they do want to have this, but I don't see them making the first effort. Okay, so right now, what's their energy like towards you? Right now, what's their energy like towards you? Scorpio soulmate. With the strength card, this person is holding back. They are rejecting and resisting the temptation of basically reaching out. Okay. With the Empress card, they are extremely focused on themselves at this very present moment. They are fixing themselves, nurturing themselves, focusing on their career, maybe their personal life, their personal growth. Okay. So very much. Someone who's focused on their own self right now. The reason why they are not reaching out is because they are not wanting to reach out. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you now. In terms of intention, I do not see this person taking action. With the moon card is not about action. It's a card where someone has fear, someone has insecurity, someone doubts the other person. So in terms of intention, this person could be doubting that you are connected to someone else, or maybe talking to someone else. They are definitely questioning that. They definitely have their own doubts regarding this connection they share with you. One card for action that I want to take towards you. What action they really want to take towards you now? With Seven of Swords, darling, I do not see this person taking any sort of action towards you. They are just watching you from a distance. Okay, so what can you expect from this connection now? What can you possibly expect from this connection now? With the Chariot card, I believe you have two options, to be very honest. And with Eight of Swords, you do feel stuck to one, but the other connection seems smooth. So for all those who are connected to this person that you love and want, that connection is stuck. That connection is going nowhere. That person is not going to take any sort of strong move towards you. This person is stuck in his or her own ways, and I believe they do have pride issues, ego issues, whatever you call that, and this person is not going to change much. Okay, this person is very stuck on what they believe, and they may feel like you are cheating on them, or you are lying to them, or you are having a third party, and that's the reason why they are not going to reach out. They'll want you to reach out. Okay, so you'll have a choice to either be stuck or move forward. It's up to you. Okay, regarding their current feelings towards you, how do they truly feel about you now? With Judgment card, I believe this person has to make a move. They have to make a decision. They have to choose. They either choose you or they give up on you. But this person hasn't learned from their past mistakes. This person could have had multiple options and they could not stop entertaining those. Okay, this could go vice versa for many of you, but majorly I believe with the Judgment card, this person has an attachment, but when it comes to feelings, they are not so connected to you like they previously were. They are slowly drifting apart. I won't want to lie about it. Okay, why is that so, Spirit? The major blockages that are getting in the way. With the Sun card, they felt like this connection wouldn't bring them that happiness they were wanting. This connection was rather draining them, killing them. They felt upset about the whole thing, where this was going, and all that you guys have been through. Okay, with the Sun card, they felt like this connection would not bring them that sort of happiness or success in that manner. Okay, with Judgment card, for some of you this is a past life connection. The reason why it's so difficult, it's because of past life karma or soul contract, if you are familiar with that term. Why is this all happening, Spirit? Why is this all happening? What's the major reason? King of Wands, someone is not taking action towards the connection or towards the other person. With Wheel of Fortune, you both are waiting on the other person to reach out, and you guys have basically going with the flow. When you go with the flow, chances are you'll have to wait forever for this person to reach out or for things to change. You both are taking this connection for granted. Okay, with King of Wands, you both are in your pride, your ego, and you believe the other person should reach out, the other person should make the effort, the other person should possibly compromise, and no one is doing that. Okay, one card for where this is going for now, where this is possibly going for now. Scorpio and their soulmate for the next 15 days. With Eight of Pentacles, I believe this connection demands a lot of effort, a lot of work, a lot of time, and you don't have that. Okay, this person was your happiness once upon a time, but right now they're just draining you. I believe you both will choose to stay focused on your own self rather than this connection. In terms of this connection, where do we see this going? In terms of this connection, where do we see this going? I do feel there is a certain amount of blockage in connection. Either you could have blocked them or they could have blocked you. But chances are this person will reach out. But I do not see anything happening, like anything positive like coming out of it. But you guys will try to reach out to each other. Either you're going to reach out or they're going to reach out. But there's going to be some bits of communication because Eight of Wands truly means the true and fro movement. So that means some sort of communication will come in. Okay, but you have to wait. Okay, one card for what do they want from you now? What do they truly want from you now? We have King of Pentacles in the reverse, which tells me that this person isn't ready for something long term, something committed. So this person might want a fling right now. They are not exactly ready for long term. Five of Cups, they definitely have regrets over the past problems, but I do not see this going anywhere positive because you guys are not working on it. Okay, one card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you now? They feel like you're not going to put in effort. Seven of Pentacles is in the reverse, and they feel like you are giving into someone else. So they believe you have given up on the connection. To be very honest, they know that they'll have to possibly give up on you with time, but so far they feel like you have given up and you are looking elsewhere. That is the where the connection, the reading ends. Okay, so this is what I have for you. One card for what should you be doing? What should you be doing? To be very honest, with Knight of Wands, I believe you should keep your options open. You shouldn't wait on something. If this person cannot offer you commitment, I'm not saying they are not. If this person has been very vocal about it, that they are not wanting commitment or something long term, then you should keep your options open. I believe this person isn't very much ready for something long term. Okay, the one you're dealing with. With Eight of Cups, emotionally extremely distant, manipulative, not wanting to give in. Okay, so this is your reading for Scorpio for the next couple of weeks. If this resonates, mind you, this might go vice versa, but if it does resonate, hit the like button, let me know in the comment section, subscribe. All those who want to get a personal reading done from me, please go to my website and book one that fits best for you. Reach out on my WhatsApp or my Instagram, Scorpio Vibes Only. Thank you so much for coming in. I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.